We've already gone over the committed club feature for gyms and how they can use it to track who's in committed club, who's on the bubble, and to get member summaries, member fitness summaries from those. In this video, we want to dive in a little deeper into the export and the Canva template that we've set up. Now, we've set up this Canva template because we know how important committed club is to gyms and for keeping people motivated. And this Canva template is sort of a fun, tangible way to celebrate the people who keep showing up, and to make the committed club part of your gym's culture. You could take these, post them on a wall, hand them out at the end of class, or feature them in a newsletter, whatever you want to do. But we really feel like this is an awesome way to make consistency something your community can actually see and hold. And so let's jump into this Canva template feature that's part of the Committed Club. We're back here on the plan page. Over here in the right side menu, there is the Committed Club icon. When we tap to open that, you get the Committed Club side menu. Now, to access the Canva template, all you need to do is tap on the download or export icon that you see here at the top of this side menu. When you do that, you'll get a pop-up screen or a pop-up modal. All right. Inside of this pop-up modal, you've got two steps. Step one, export the list. So we're actually going to do that right now. When you tap on that, that list is going to download to your computer. Depending on how big the list is, it might take a little bit of time. But once it's ready to go, we can then move on to step two. Now, there are more instructions inside of this blog here. So if you ever want to read exactly how to use this, go ahead and click on this link here. It'll take you to a blog article. But we'll go through all of the steps here with you just to make it super, super easy. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to tap on the Canva template link here. And when we do that, it's going to open up the template itself here. Okay. Now, we'll tap on View Template next. And when asked to, you'll tap on the Open in Editor button. And that should open up Canva for you. All right. Now, this is what the template looks like here. So before we do anything else, here is your chance to kind of update the design a little bit. For example, we can come in here and we could change the name. We could add our name or the gym name, whatever you want it to say there. You can also add your gym logo if you want to. So we'll click and drag that logo in here. We can resize that, and you could place this really wherever you want in the template. Throw it over here on the corner of the template there if you want to. Again, whatever you want to do, however you want to design this template, you have all that power there. Go ahead and make it exactly what you want it to be. There's also a date option here. So make sure that this date is the proper month that you're actually using. I did download the CrossFit Fordham October Committed Club list, so I'm fine there, but just always double check to see just to make sure that that's what you want it to be. And then ultimately what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to Bulk Create on the left-hand side. You're going to tap that, and now you can see here we've already set this up to pull in name, count, and summary. So all I need to do now is I'm going to tap on Upload Data here, bottom left corner. And you guys probably can't see this pop up here. If not, that's fine. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull in the Committed Club CSV file that I downloaded. All right. Now you can see the different the different columns inside of that CSV file. Category, name, email, count, summary. We're using name, count, and summary. So we're going to pull in this information here, this information here, and this information here. All right. So once you've made all the updates to the template over here that you want, we're going to tap on continue, and it's going to pull in all of the data here. Now keep in mind with this CSV export, specific or members might not actually have any summary data. So for example, Josh here, there's no summary. Yvonne here, there's no summary. That's because these two didn't log results while they checked into class to earn committed club status. They didn't actually log scores, so there's no summary to show. So if you wanted to not create those templates, you could. Otherwise, we can kind of keep all those there, but this will give you a full-on list of everybody in that CSV file. And you can see down here we've got 60 designs. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and tap Generate 60 Designs. And then once we do that, you get this little pop-up up here. Okay, great, one design created. Let's go ahead and view the design. Okay, and we could actually update this name here too. So we'll say October 2025 CrossFit Fordham CC Committed Club. Great. Now here are these are the actual designs for each of the people in that Committed Club CSV file. So we've got Josh, October 25, 26 training days. And as you scroll on down, Yvonne, 25 training days. Okay, and here's an example then of somebody who does have an actual summary, lots of summary data there. So 67 sessions, set 15 new lifting PRs, etc., etc. All right, so, and you know, you could choose to maybe not pass these or not create these, the ones that don't have any summary information. Totally up to you. But once you're ready and everything looks good to go, all you're going to do then is you're going to tap the share button over here. You're going to download. And then you're going to click on PNG, this menu item up here. And we'll switch on over to PDF print, best for printing. Now, all of these, this template has been set up to be about a quarter of an actual page. So these ones are small, they're more handout style cards, little flashcards, something like that. And then go ahead and adjust your settings however you want to. We're going to do all the pages, and you can go ahead and download this here. All right, so that's going to be downloading. And once you're finished with that, all you need to do is take that file over to your local print shop and have them print these out for you. By the time they get back to you with their finished product, you'll have some really cool, awesome, fun, tangible items that you can give out to members who've made Committed Club and celebrate their consistency.